Hey everybody, Josh here, and today we're talking about batteries. Now, if you're experiencing slow starts, no starts, stalls, dim electronics, or even weird smells, it could be time for a new gold or silver battery from ACDelco.
On this 2018 GMC Terrain, we'll start by disconnecting the negative terminal. Then we'll remove the battery distribution engine compartment fuse box. The battery hold-down retainer nuts, and the battery hold-down retainer. Next out is the battery cover and the battery itself. Install the new battery into the same position as the old battery and reinstall the battery cover. Reinstall the battery hold-down retainer and the battery hold-down retainer nut, being sure to tighten. Then, reinstall the battery distribution engine compartment fuse block. Reconnect the battery negative cable, and make sure everything's up and running again.
Now congratulate yourself. You not only powered through a fundamental automotive DIY, you chose an ACDelco battery, the only battery recommended for Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac vehicles, and backed by General Motors.